So that's exactly what you're seeing right now. Me taking that hand sanitizer, putting it on there, let it sit for a little bit, and just comb it out. Hello, my beautiful people. Hi. I'm so excited because I'm showing you the uninstall process for my Quickweaves when I use that Protectant. It's so easy. It's so simple. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I love to see all of you here. But I just wanted to show you guys how much glue I don't get on my hair once I take it off. Right now, you're just watching me separate my real hair from the stocking cap. It's really not even this hard. Hairstylists that use the Protectant, all they do is just wash it out. Now, once you wash it out and that wig cap is off, or if you just pull it off like that, you'll see that there's no glue on there, and you'll actually be able to save it, put some clips on it, and make it into a wig. I'm gonna pause it for you guys so you can see. It's a little damaged at the top because I cut the stocking cap wrong, y'all. I cut it off wrong, cut it a little bit too much. So yeah, that was my mess up. That's my fault. That's my bad. What you're seeing for the parts that I did mess up on with the stocking cap, there was some glue on there. Once you take it off, the Protectant is gonna be a little bit crusty. Don't get that confused with the glue. The glue, you'll have like little glue balls on your hair. So I felt around for like the glue balls, which was kind of in the middle of my head because that's where I cut the stocking cap off that I wasn't supposed to. But I put some hand sanitizer on there. So I know you guys heard either in the middle part, Quickweave, where, yeah, you can see that little ball, but in the middle part, Quickweave tutorial, DIY that I posted, I said if you get some glue on your hair, all you have to do is put some hand sanitizer on it and it will slide right off. So that's exactly what you're seeing right now. Me taking that hand sanitizer, putting it on there, let it sit for a little bit, and just comb it out. You can see from my comb, it was dirty though, y'all, before I posted it, before I started combing some stuff out. It was dirty. But you'll see in a little bit, like, just how it's coming off. Like, it's literally not taking any of my hair out. You don't leave the hand sanitizer in your hair for a long time because it's really not good to put that type of alcohol on your hair. So the purpose of it is just to put it on the glue, and it literally just slides off. So once you slide it off, of course, you're going to wash your hair, condition it, or deep condition it. So that's just a picture of the glue that was removed. And also with detangling your hair, do not use that small fine comb. I'm having some issues right here on my leave out because I used the Got To Be glue spray on my leave out because I did the swoop in the get ready with me. So if you're having issues with that, take a brush and brush out your hairspray because that's the best way to do it. Also, combing out your hair, don't use that small right tail comb. Just use it to get the glue out. Use a regular big comb to detangle it. This concludes the uninstallment. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and wash your hair after you uninstall it.